My name is Tiwari Sanket. We are student of Unity Public School, Standard 8. My topic is Maratha War. In 1761 AD, the Marathas were defeated in the Third Battle of Panipat, fought against Ahmad Shah Abdali of Iran. As a result, Maratha Empire got divided among the Sindhis, Holkars, Gayakwad and Bhosles. These dynasties were under control of the Peshwa. Supreme Minister Peshwa's headquarters was in Pune. There were several wars between the Marathas and the British. The Treaty of Salbai 1782 AD.
My name is Abrali Aisha. Today's topic Battle of Maksar. Bir Qasim, Nawab of Bengal, Nawab of Awadh beat Mughal Emperor had to plan to expel the Britishers in the India. The army history consisted of 15,000 soldiers, whereas the company's army was 772 soldiers. The Battle of Maksar, October 2022, 1760.
Hello everyone, my name is Mandi Rudra Rajendra Bhai. My topic is qualification for the membership of Lok Sabha. The candidate must be citizen of India. The candidate must be aged 25 years above. The candidate should not be bankrupt, culprit with unstable mind. The candidate must be salaried employed to the government. Thank you.
My name is Purval Kurujik. My topic is the president. The president is the first citizen of our country. Constitution had the wall of administration of the country carrying out name of the president.
My name is Kalata Pesha. I am telling about Convention of Agriculture. They thus established their authority over the prosperous region of that time like Bihar, Bengal and Odisha. The company wanted to establish a monopoly over Indian agriculture market. The agriculture product.
Hello everyone, my name is Dolakia Kabir. My topic is role of the parliament. We have observed that the parliament function in accordance with the guidelines given in the constitution. Different committees are formed out to carry this function. One of the important functions carried out by the parliament is formation of new laws, making amendments in existing laws or repealing them. Through the budget, parliament exercises control over the expenditure made by the executive.
My name is Surusi. Today's topic is Rajya Sabha Upper House. In all, there are 250 members in our Rajya Sabha. Of these 12 members are nominated by the President. The member of nominated by the President will know personality like a good difference. My name is Kushidas. We are studying Standard 8. My topic is Lok Sabha. There are in all 545 members in our Lok Sabha. These members represent Indian differences and union territories. The number of seats of the parliament decided on the basis of population states. Enjoy equal the. Good morning everyone. My name is Ayushi. Today my topic is the Prime Minister. The Prime Minister is the head of the Council Minister. The Prime Minister elected either for the Lok Sabha or for the Rajya Sabha. The administration of oath of officer to the Prime Minister and the Council of Ministers. The
Good morning everyone. My name is Nikhil Chaudhary. I study in Standard 8. Today's topic is fundamental duties. First, to abide by the Constitution and respect its ideal, institution, national flag and national anthem. Second, to safeguard the national abide on violence.
Hello everyone, my name is Jagani Vansh. I am studying Standard 8. My topic is crop. Crop is very important country